How can you make the most of messaging to communicate more easily with your clients? Messaging is the most powerful and important tool in Ekklo. You'll be able to create groups, send messages, broadcast messages, and build a real relationship with your client outside of coaching. We're in the Ekklo app, and what we'll do is simple. We're going to tap the little messaging bubble in the top right. This is where you'll actually be able to see all your messages with your clients. So we'll have the list of clients. It's simple. How do you chat with them? You click on them and you can send them a quick message. For example, hi, how are you doing? Automatically, your client will receive a notification just like WhatsApp. You can send photos, videos, voice notes, and messages however you like directly through the app. Also, what's quite interesting is that for every sports coach, you can also tap new in the top right-hand corner, then select new conversation. And you can also create groups with your clients. To give you some examples, marathon prep groups, CrossFit groups, or any other community you can imagine, and carefully select which participants will have access to the group. It's really great if you want to build a community around your coaching. Also, what you can do with Ekklo is tap new in the top right again and select broadcast message. So here, as a coach, you can send the same message to every client. So how do you do it? We'll select some clients, for example, Theo Verrill and Clement Verrill, and we'll send them, how are you? And your clients will receive their message individually. You'll save a massive amount of time instead of messaging your clients one by one, in addition to being able to favorite your chats, just like you do on WhatsApp by simply tapping right here. You can also click in the top left corner to create your own custom message templates. So how do you do it? It's simple. You can tap new in the top right and directly predefine template messages to send to your clients. For example, you can set up a welcome message template, and then you will manually include the message content. So, for example, welcome to the coaching adventure. Here's the messaging. If you have any questions, send me a quick message and I'll get back to you. That way, you avoid wasting time recreating the same message for every client over the weeks and months on Ekklo. Also, the big game changer on Ekklo is that you can actually use messaging everywhere. For example, if I go to the client tab tomorrow, I'll have it with me at all times to chat with my clients. So imagine that tomorrow I'm looking at my client's assessment or their program, their sports program. I can see their progress and send them quick messages at the same time. It saves you from switching tabs back and forth. We're really here for optimization. And now we'll see how it looks on the client side. It's very simple. So here we are in the home tab. This is where your client will have their habits, step count, activities, and weight, which we'll see in a future video. And you see in the top right, we've used a similar design to WhatsApp or Messenger. He'll click on it and he'll have all his messages available from the app every time. So you can send him links, voice notes, videos, photos, no problem. And he'll also be able to receive all the notifications you send him. And there you go. So now you know how to use messaging on Ekklo to communicate more easily with your clients. It's a super simple feature to use, but it's essential for your fitness coaching business. And if you want to understand the app even better, I recommend checking out the next video.